spaces. Then it starts. Breathe it in and slowly